Welcome to our channel Quick Easy Learning. In this video, we will all learn about what is Northwest Corner Rule and how we can use the Northwest Corner Rule with an interesting example. Continue watching. If you have any doubt about this video, please comment below. Let's use a simple example to help explain the Northwest Corner Rule. Imagine you have two factories and three stores. Here is a framework to understand it better. Factory A can make 30 toys and Factory B can make 20 toys. Store 1 needs 25 toys. Store 2 needs 15 toys and Store 3 needs 10 toys. Here is a basic procedure for using a Northwest Corner Rule. Step 1. Draw a table with row and columns. The row represents the place you are sending from factories and the column represents the place you are sending to stores. On the side of the row writes how many items each factory has. This is called supply. At the top of the column write how many items each store needs. This is called demand. Step 2. Step 3. Look at the first cell in the table, the northwest corner. This is where you will start. Step 4. Compare the supply, how many items you have, and demand, how many items are needed. Adjust the supply and demand. If the supply is more than to the demand, send the amount needed to the stores. This means the demand goes to 0. After sending the item, subtract the amount, supply and demand. If the demand becomes 0, cross out that column. If the supply becomes 0, cross out the row. Step 6. Look at the next cell to the right. If you are at the end of the row, move down to the next row. Step 7. Let's create a table to clarify. In this framework, you can set up the equation to minimizing cost while meeting supply, demand and constraints. This helps business decide the most efficient way to transport goods. So that's all for today's video. If you want a more detail on solving these problems or any other question, comment below. Thanks for watching.